Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. Today we are doing a mermaid hair tutorial. I'm actually super in love with this hairstyle. I've been doing this so much lately. I'm going to insert the pictures here if you guys don't know which hairstyle I'm talking about. I think in my last few videos I've been doing this hairstyle. I'm not someone who is good at hairstyling. If I can do it, you can do it. So you just basically need a hair curler. That's it. So I bought two hair curler before. I will show you which one was the best. I also got a mermaid necklace to match with my mermaid hair. Stop talking, Joe. Let's get started. First, I want to brush my hair quickly. This is the hairbrush that I use. I really like it. I think after you brush it, it gives you a shiny look. So I want to brush it quickly. Oh my god, it got so frizzy. Okay, doesn't matter. They look very frizzy at the moment. But don't worry. When I do this mermaid hairstyle, I like to part it in the middle, but I don't have the hair comb, so I just gotta use my nails. So at the beginning, I bought this BABYLISS one, which I think it was too curly for me. I look a bit mad. Like, it's not mad, but like the curl is just really small. I think this would be good for short hair, short to medium hair, because my hair is not too short. Like I like the long mermaid hair look. So this was too curly for me, but I will show you guys how does it look when you curl them, what's the difference. And then this one is my go-to. I got it from Amazon, which was super cheap. I think it was £20, £23. The last time I actually burned my ear. I don't know, can you guys see? Yeah, it's still healing. I don't know, can you see? I'm still not too used to it. Doesn't matter, just be careful with this. So firstly, I want to show you guys on my left side. I want to just do one little piece with this hair curler. I think this is actually called hair waver. Power button. I'm gonna leave it in the middle. So I'm gonna wait for it to heat up first, and so meanwhile I'm going to put some heat protector. Honestly, I'm pretty lazy sometimes. I don't put hair protector, I just put hair oil. And I am using this Tresemme heat protector. So I'm coloring my hair soon. This is probably the last time you guys see me with this hair color. I want to go lighter at the bottom. Now I'm gonna try to curl one piece with this BABYLISS one. This is actually from BABYLISS. I'm gonna link it down below. I think if you have a hair clip, it's the best. But I actually don't have one, so I have to work with what I have. So start from the top like this. It's just really easy. This wafer is actually much more curly. The key points to achieve the best mermaid waves is you try to connect the waves so they will look perfect at the end. Okay, super easy to do. But for me, when I do my right side, it's easier. And yeah, look, that's it. Guys, isn't it so cute? Whoa. Yep, I really enjoy this hairstyle. It just looks so cute. And I'm gonna show you the other one. I much prefer this one. 180. When you do this kind of hairstyle, the top part is so important. Does your hair look good? It's on the top. This one is way heavier comparing to the other one. Oh, I didn't do too well on this one. This one is with the waver. It's much more curly. This one is with the barrel, the pink one. Barrel was 32 mm, so I think it's a perfect size. This curl is more chill. This one is just more like, I'm out there. I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair with this barrel now. But I want to say that the barrel thing is really heavy, like sometimes I get really tired. So now let's start curling them. I'm gonna part them first. I can't really see. So like this. Move down. Yeah, that's it. That's that. And I feel like after you don't get it for the first time, the second time you go back to curl it, it's just not as nice. So this should be the perfect example. Then I can move down.
Well, this is the way it's gonna be. I'm a man and you're your boy.
Yay. We got a perfect one.
Boy, just like the word said.
When I'm doing my left, it's not as good. On my right, I'm normally okay. That's that. So now we're just gonna keep doing that until we finish the whole head, and that's it. Isn't it super easy? Yep. To do this hair, you gotta have patience to do it. Like this again. Move down. Move down, move down. Nowadays, I finally understand why people who are so famous on YouTube, and even though they know how to do their makeup, they will hire a makeup artist and a hairstylist now. Because after you do all that, you just get really tired before you film another video. Connect, connect, connect. Well, that's half. This is the side of the face that I'm always like burn myself. I'm just really scared. I think this side you guys probably can see it clearer. Honestly, this side is my bad side. Like, I'm just not good at this side. Okay, this is the last piece. I want to show you guys one more time like this, and then just keep moving down, then you just get the perfect waves. It's very easy. See, this is the last piece. So they're the waves. So that's the finished look. This piece is super curly, it's from the waver. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. That's how I achieved the mermaid hairstyle. You can go ahead and put some hairspray now. I don't know, can you guys see? I feel like this side is much better than this side. Like, I think I'm still not too used to it. I feel like the curls came out differently. But yes, I really enjoyed this hairstyle. I have been really feeling this hairstyle. I feel like this hairstyle gives you a bit of a personality, and I think there's definitely a difference between 32mm and the smaller size. I feel like this is just the size. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna leave my Instagram here. Go and follow me there. See you guys next time.